1945. I was 11 years of age, and we were getting on the train in Thurles. There was a train up, and we came up on the Friday. It was a great weekend. There was the military tattoo was on in the RDS, and I sat. We were up first at the field, and we got into the sideline seats down there. And one of my main memories of it was a fellow called Michael Murphy, who played with himself, a big tall fella, and he was right in front of us. And if you remember, 2 or 3 years ago, he was here with the GPA at 99 years of age.